Hey everyone, welcome to SyncWin Tools. I am Ishan and in today's video I will teach you how to integrate MailerLite with the free version of Fluent Forms using bit flows step by step. To send form details from Fluent Forms to MailerLite, you typically need a pro plan for Fluent Forms. That means if you are planning to store or send customer data in MailerLite, whether it's to provide support or run email campaigns, the free version of Fluent Forms might not be sufficient. But with BitFlows Pro, you can make it happen. And in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how. So if you already have BitFlows Pro in your toolkit, then this video is made for you. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to BitFlows. Once you are in, you will see the flows page. Here click on create a workflow, a pop-up will appear. Choose the blank option and hit create. This opens a workflow canvas where you will set up your integration. On the canvas, select the app option to create a trigger. Search for Fluent Forms and select it. Next, define the trigger type as here we chose the form submission trigger. Now select the specific form you want to use. In our case, the contact form. Click on listen response, then go ahead and fill out your contact form on the front end and submit it. You will notice that all the submitted data gets captured right here in BitFlows. This confirms that Fluent Forms is successfully connected with BitFlows. Now that Fluent Forms is fetching data, it's time to send it to MailerLite. Just like before, you need to click on the app option and select MailerLite as the destination. To connect, you will need your MailerLite API key. Log into your MailerLite account, copy the API key and paste it into BitFlows. If you don't know how to find your MailerLite API key, then check out the how-to guide link I have shared in the description below. Next, map the fields of your contact form from Fluent Forms to MailerLite. Add the relevant values from your form submission. And if you have created a specific group in MailerLite, be sure to assign the data to it. Once everything is set, it's time to test. Click on test flow once and then listen response. Submit the form again and if everything is working correctly, you will see the data appear in the log section. You can also verify in your MailerLite account that the data has been received successfully. And that's it. You have now successfully integrated the free version of Fluent Forms with MailerLite using BitFlows. No pro plan needed. Want to explore BitFlows further? You can check out our showcase page to learn more about the product details, latest deals and resources by using the links below in the description. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next video.